Mint is the world's thinnest yet most powerful anti-loss device and universal remote. Wake up and can't find your phone? Just press Mint. Your phone will ring. Have a tea before going to yoga class and want to enjoy music? Use Mint. You can remote control your music box to play your favorite music. Mint is also useful for your work. Need to give a presentation? Use Mint and you can remote control your slides. Forgot your stuff on the go? Your phone will alert you. Oh right, you forgot your purse at home. From day to night, use Mint. This tiny 1/8 inch tracker can be attached to your belongings, so you'll have full control. Mint is made of stainless steel. It has an interchangeable battery that lasts up to a year, and it's open to third party. Enjoy the date and want to take a picture together? No problem. You can use Mint to remote control your camera for a selfie. Can you imagine never losing your stuff again? Introducing Mint.
Selfies, we love them. But no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHolds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.
This is OmniCharge, the world's first smart power bank, designed by best-in-field power management experts that can charge any device. OmniCharge is fully equipped with AC/DC charging capabilities, as well as 2 rapid charging USB ports, and is the only power bank on the market with universal charging. Smart, powerful, compact. It is the only power bank you will ever need. OmniCharge is designed for the modern professional's mobile lifestyle. With this power bank, any space can become a workspace, and being tied to the wall socket is a thing of the past. You'll be able to get work done wherever you need without running out of battery. OmniCharge can power even the most demanding laptops, and is small enough to fit inside your everyday bag. The power bank's compact size means that you can carry it with you everywhere and never worry about running out of power while you're on the go. You don't have to carry an extra charger. The battery's universal charging port means that it can be charged with any cable already around you. OmniCharge can power an incredibly wide range of devices, and its smart power management system means that it can recognize which device it's charging and adjust the optimal output. The world's first battery with a brain. All data is displayed in real time, from battery temperature to remaining charging time. With OmniCharge, your device will be charged in the shortest possible time, allowing you to focus on what's important. This smart power bank can even be charged with a solar panel, and its unique flow-through capability allows you to charge other devices while the battery itself is being charged. totally freeing you from the wall socket. OmniCharge allows you to lead a truly mobile life and never miss an opportunity to create a warm atmosphere for family and friends. With OmniCharge, you can power the things that truly matter to you.